Good day everyone, and welcome to today's video. So I was going to use some washi tape to help me make the design, but it actually turned out to make it harder. So I ended up just stitching the tape and doing it with the brushes. So I'm going to use the white gel polish to create like a V shape on the bottom of the nail. And then with this super glittery solid gel, I'm going to fill in the rest of the nail. And then for my middle nail, I'm just going to paint the entire nail. I have a bunch of these nail stickers. I got them in a haul. I will have it in the cards up top in case you want to see, but I will also have them linked in the description in case you want to check them out. But they're really good to just make like quick designs and still look really cute. So I'm just gonna kind of decorate all of the nails, and then that will pretty much be it. Well, let me know what you thought of this nail design, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!